Banten rong ya kejing don kam ban pen mi pisa, kum kejing kerja na kejing temu babha jang ke Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Bhoi Rembong. Haka shipau terik urisau arhajar arpusau, ikena skol kila penlong na food fest kam sales of work ban pen mi pisa na benta banchna ya auditorium jang na skol. La ban kedau, ba ke Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Bhoi Rembong, kadi ke skol ke balapau haka jela leng baki kamela kai football pada ke pulia putih. Dekadang don pat hapdeng kejing duna, haga ba ban pelat ki kena naga sngib uslap ke por badan ki program. Ketemu banchna ke auditorium ka ban ngam sans pangon ia ki kena skol. Haga bala sakhiru baki kam kala sedang meniat cekmat daga managing committee. Haga ne ke food fest kam sales of work na lor ke jingde ke jingbam. La deru iki tiar bala than banchna penwan dor bat pen internet hi ki kena skol, ki jan kina bala ais ngob ha ki riu shimet bat kiwe. Ya kene ka food fest kam sales of work lawan ban play ha performance step daw director ke school education and literacy swapnel tembe ha ka jingi don rengkat principal jongan ke school uba everlasting pungro ki dekat jongan managing committee kino hikai bat ki kena school uswapnel tembe ul ais ngobha de juti la kai football bagi jersey cheki kena la kai subroto cup jongan ke school belong ru kadak ban ai kublai basket box ke ruyang yakini kirang ela kai haswa bagian net menikun ya ke Indo French football tournament kaban selong ha Paris. Haba kerana gane ke jingelang kabla penlong ha Palau school u principal jong ne school uba everlasting pengrup uli tho ba kejing temu jong kane ka food fest kam sales of work kedai hina ke benta ban penmi pisa ban snai ke auditorium. Usbab penel tembe habakran hakane kejingyalang ulai kejingero ki kena elakai subroto jong ne skol ki balala elakai bha bat nisai ka sap ka bagidon bat ulong ba ka jelahi berkobai ke snow sarong yakane ka kun elakai jong ne skol
side, but I'll also tell Department of Sports whatever help is required, let me know, so that from the department side also will give and keep doing, and all the best for your visit to France, and we just remember that the state is proud of you, so keep shining. And to all the students, you should be proud that you are part of this wonderful school. You have a amazing principal who received national award also, and there are so many initiatives in the school which the state is proud of. Recently additional secretary also, government of India, he is very senior, he is 30 years senior IAS officer. He also commended and praised this school, so I'm very happy with the performance. When you are in school, give 100% attendance and 100% attention to your teachers. Study well, and beyond study also, play sports, whatever you like, do more reading, get some skill, learn computers, and take this opportunity and learn, maximum use of this opportunity, because you are very lucky to study in this school, this kind of school, So make the most of this opportunity, make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, and make your principal proud.